Mwikirigiti wa Kanju ya magavana Peter Munya no urutite murugamo ucio akiuga ati abunge matitaukirwo ni gatiba ya bururi. Munya aritiorire abunge meriga kwendekithia barabara iria ciri rungu rwa thirikari cia county gucokio kuri thirikari ya bururi.
Devolution came so that the government that is closer to the people can be able to be given the opportunity to deal with the local issues. Now if you make a local road a national road, you probably don't even understand why we passed the 2010 constitution at all. You really don't understand.
Munya akauga ni mugaru wa watho barabara iria ciri kirathi kia D gutarwo ta barabara iria ciri kirathi gia C undu uria augite ni ta gutabania mugaruku ma gatiba kugerera murango wa thutha.
If they want to change that, they still have the power, and the power is to go through the proper process, amend the constitution so that the constitution can say any road can be a national road. Then now go to classification, but you can't start. You can't put the cat before the horse.
Kuumana na ikinya riu magavana riu makauga mae kuhanda cira igoti-ini kuginyanira ati abunge nimekwitukia mogaruruku macio.
Trying to think you can amend the constitution through ordinary legislation in the parliament is engaging in wishful thinking, and I can assure you that classification will not pass muster. We are going to challenge it in court, as we always done when we know somebody is going against the constitution.
Rungu rwa gatiba barabara imwe ciri rungu rwa thirikari cia county orire imwe cirugamarwo ni thirikari nene.